Well, good morning. Happy Monday to you. Hopefully where you are is as beautiful as it is here. Sun's out and I'm sitting outside again doing another spatial short talk. I like to spend each week with a specific theme. I've spent the last couple of weeks in very particular areas. And if you haven't seen those videos, go ahead and watch them. They're very relevant to what I'm going to be talking about this week. This week's about social media. I'm going to be really talking about the focal point of this is social media the biggest business missed opportunity? So I really want to dive deeply into social media. It's something I've been doing for 15 plus years and something I'm very focused on now. I'm really going to cover lots of areas this week. So we'll probably do 4 or 5 talks. I'll cover things like what is social media? Why is it a critical part or missing part of your business potentially? How sales and marketing, really traditional sales and marketing, work in their own sort of channels, their own silos, and really social media is poorly understood by the sort of traditional world of sales and marketing. And it's my sense, and I'll talk about this, that those areas are converging, and social media is an essential tool that sales and marketing folks should be using separately and in combination. So we'll cover that. There are certain techniques that I've realized over the years that, and techniques is really the wrong way to put it, but I'll express it that way. Social media is very much about personal brand, and it's a very individual, personal thing. So how does one bring in business to that world and benefit from what is a new medium, a new way of communicating, a new way of building community and a network? And those are the 2 critical words: community and network. And we'll touch on some of the things that I spoke about last week about purpose, why, starting with why, strategy, etc. So we will touch on some of the things that I've spoken about before. In the latter part of this week, I'm going to talk about social media strategy, and I will really break it down and provide you with my approach, my thinking around what it is to plan out your social media work. I nearly said campaign there. It's actually an ongoing piece of focus work that one needs to do daily. And then I'll probably finish off the week with tips and tricks and how-tos, things that I've learned again. And I'll probably make that an ongoing thing, actually, as I see things that come up that I like and things that I don't care for. So we'll talk across social media. We'll talk about LinkedIn. We'll talk about YouTube. We'll talk about Instagram. We'll talk about writing. We'll talk about video. We'll talk about all sorts of things. Podcasting may be included there as well. So I hope it's a helpful deep dive into the world of social media. And again, it's my focus, something I've been doing for a long time. And I thought it'd be useful to pass on some of the things that my thoughts around that whole area. So it should be an exciting week. I hope you tune in. If you're watching on LinkedIn, please feel free to follow, because you'll get notification of these talks as I do them. If you're watching this on YouTube, subscribe to the channel, like it. And again, that helps me with this content. And again, thank you for watching.